Hello and welcome to part 2 of Broken Down. In this session, we're going to be looking at the Kingsway Roundabouts again. However, this time, we're going to be looking at them being done the opposite way. So going from Milnrow back to the driving test centre. So let's go take a look of how it should be done. Let's go. Hello and welcome to part 2 of Broken Down. We're breaking down the Kingsway Roundabouts, going back to the driving test centre in Rochdale. So we're going to turn right at this roundabout here, taking the second exit. So here we go. We're going to be going right, second exit. So just approaching here in the right lane, right signals on. As we go around, as soon as I pass the first exit, we'll pop the left signal on now. Check my left mirror there, make sure no one's on the side of me there. And now we're following signs to Rochdale. So whether you're following signs to Rochdale or whether you do it on the sat-nav, you'll only do it this way. This is the only way it should be done. So we're going towards Rochdale. It shows second exit there. So we're just going to keep close to this white line here and go into the middle lane. The left lane goes to the motorway, so we want to make sure we stay in the middle lane here. Quick glances to the right. I'm in the middle lane, so I'm going to continue in the middle lane. Don't switch or change lanes at this point. After the first exit, left signal will come on, and we come off. New road, new mirrors. Rochdale is the first exit, so this lane can't go anywhere else. This lane will take you to the first exit. So quick glances again. View's nice and clear, so I'm just going to continue there because I can see very clearly. And then we're going to be signalling left now to come off here. Just so these cars can see that I'm definitely coming off. Now you're forced to come off in the overtaking lane. So I'm just going to move back to the default left lane. So do that safely. Mirror signal, maneuver. And then you just follow signs to Rochdale. And if you get past that part there, you would have been okay. So most commonly people fail for switching lanes or going into the wrong lane and then panicking and doing something dangerous. And then we're just going to signal left here to come off. New road, new mirrors, and speed up again. Nice and gradually. Speed limit on here is 40 miles per hour. Watch out for that pedestrian crossing. Do scan both ways as approaching it. And then we're just going to start reducing my speed now because my view to the right is not so clear. So the less you see, the slower you go. And we're just going to signal left here again to come off, making sure that all 4 tyres are in my lane there as I come round. If you are following sat-nav, your sat-nav will most likely end here. If you're not following sat-nav, the examiner will tell you which way to go as well. They'll tell you to go straight ahead of the roundabout, first exit, and then straight ahead of the traffic lights. Now, some instructors might advise you to go into the right lane here. You should only do that if you absolutely know why you're doing it. And don't just do it for the sake of your instructors telling you to do it. Okay, so we're going to be going straight ahead of the light. So I need to switch lanes twice here. So I'm just going to check my mirrors, signal, looking for the straight arrow. The straight arrow's 2 lanes away from me. So just move over nice and safely until they're here. And that is the Kingsway Roundabouts done, going back to the driving test centre. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, and ask any questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.